Hi, Callie. This is meant to be just sort of an overview on your questions about SEO. So right here, you can see I've gone into one of the structures. I'm on the Office 750. It doesn't really matter which one. And if you come down here to Yoast, there are a few fields down here. So there is the focus key phrase, which it looks like at some point somebody has put something in for that. There is the meta description space here, and then there is the slug. So these are the three main things that are contributing to the SEO for this particular page, of course, along with the actual text on the page and the headlines on the page. So there are a few things that need to be done probably. One is these headlines need to be adjusted. Some of the structures, some of the models have enough text on them. This one seems a little bit on the short side, and then most of them don't have any of this stuff filled out here as well. And then there is also the component of the media library. So for each of the media items, there is this alt text, which is another tagging system. So this helps when you put in descriptors on the images. It's another thing for Google to index and help understand that your images relate to the text, relate to the headlines, relate to the structure of the site, and it helps boost all of that. If those little robots in Google can understand how your site is structured and how all of the stuff relates to one another, that's what helps you rank. So I'm guessing that you guys probably want to do this on your own, and it is something, it is a little bit kind of what I would call grunt work, like it's kind of grueling and repetitive, and but I think the first thing that you would want from us in order to do this on your own would be the keyword research. So our SEO person has access to tools that would let them see in your industry what the most searched terms are and what the order of those is, whether it's mostly shipping container or shipping container homes or small homes or alternative homes, or I don't even know what the keywords are for your industry. And then related to all of those things that I just showed you, these fields on the site and the headlines, making sure we're getting those in there. So rather than it just saying Office 750, it probably needs to say shipping container Office 750 in Oregon or something, because I know a lot of your buildings can't be sold in other states or whatever. So getting all of those things in there and then reinforcing it, making sure some of those words appear in this text as well. Anyway, let me know if you would like us to do the keyword research, and then I can make you guys a couple of videos showing you, some likely scenarios for what to put in here for the focus key phrase, what to put in here for the slug and the meta description, if those need to be adjusted at all, what to put in here for the headlines, and how to tag these media items. So I think we'd be looking at anywhere from 2 to 4 hours to get all of that done. Let me know if you're interested, and I can get that on the various task lists for various folks here. Thanks so much.